It's freezing in Florida, y'all. So I just thought it'd be great to do a little baking in my tiny kitchen to warm things up a bit. Plus, I'm using ingredients that I already have because I don't want to waste them at all. So come along with me for some frugal style baking inspiration. I have these overripe bananas, so of course you must make banana nut bread, right, y'all? But this particular recipe is one of my favorites. I will link it below in the description box. It's like my go-to recipe and it comes out delicious every single time. If you're new to my channel, welcome y'all. My name is Tashi and I love to bring y'all along as I go thrift shopping to beautify my home on a budget. Plus, I am eager to share more lifestyle, frugal kind of content here on my channel as well. So if y'all are interested, make sure you stick around, subscribe, and get this video a big thumbs up so I can know. And if you're new or if you're a returning viewer, leave a comment below. I just love to read y'all comments. The banana loaves were perfect. I did pinch a little bit, as you can see, and I am planning to give some to family members, so I wrapped them up and they're good to go. Next on the agenda, I needed to make these oatmeal raisin cookies. I had these old oats in my cabinet, y'all, for almost 2 years now. So past overdue, y'all. It was time for me to use them in some of my baked goods. And I just think oatmeal raisin cookies are the route to go. They're like my favorite cookies, and I had all of these ingredients already. So overall, with these particular recipes that I'm sharing with y'all, they're nothing new or out of the box. I'm just simply trying to clear my fridge, clear out my cabinets before I go grocery shopping and just simplify things without wasting them. Also am soaking these raisins that I had for quite some time, y'all. It hardened in the cabinet, like they were really hard. So I just soaked them in some warm water for about a few minutes and let them soften a little bit. Then they'll be perfect to add to my cookie dough. I did freeze some of the batter into this little Ziploc bag here, and I also baked a couple of cookies for my husband when he got off from work, and he absolutely loved them. I have some overripe berries here. I have some strawberries and blackberries. So of course I'm going to make a loaf bread out of it, y'all. I know the majority of recipes here that I'm sharing with y'all are muffins or sweetbreads, but y'all, this goes a long way in my household. Perfect for breakfast, especially when you're rushing off to work. I also love that these sweetbreads are so easy to store in your freezer, and whenever you're ready to pop them out and enjoy, you can do so. This particular mixed berry loaf came out amazing as well, y'all. A+ in my book. Next, I'm going to prepare these apple cinnamon muffins using these overripe apples that were in my fridge. I understand it's healthier to eat fruit in its wholesome form instead of making them into muffins and everything. But y'all, out of sight, out of mind, just being honest with y'all, these apples were in the fruit drawer in my fridge. And I hardly check it. I'm going to be honest with y'all. I usually like to have a fruit basket so we could just easily grab and go kind of thing. But I'm not going to waste these apples just because we didn't eat them fresh. So I'm going to make muffins. And this recipe here was my first time trying it. So I will give y'all a little taste test at the end and I will share my honest review. For the rest of the apples, I'm going to place in the freezer. I did measure them out and I have about 4.5 cups of apples in here. Perfect for many other apple recipes. 25 minutes later, the muffins are freshly out of the oven. Now, I personally will give this recipe an 8 out of 10, maybe because I use unbleached flour and brown sugar. I didn't follow the recipe to be exact, but y'all, I think it's a delicious recipe to keep, and I'm definitely going to bake it again because it's super easy and it's very healthy and fulfilling as well. All right, y'all, so I'm going to enjoy my apple muffin with a fresh cup of coffee. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Most importantly, I hope this video inspired y'all just to simply not waste food and just try to think of creative or basic recipes to utilize these key ingredients. Thanks y'all so much for watching, and I will talk with y'all in the next video.